Hello kitchen dwellers, welcome back to the channel where I pretend to be a kitchen pro with the help of some very nice kitchen appliances. Today we're going to be making a snack, these things right here. Yes, they are apple crisps. As winter is dragging along, I suppose we can all use a fun snack to remind us of the summer. And well, if you happen to watch this video in the summer, wherever you are, then take advantage of some ripe fruit to make some delicious crisps. Here we go. Ingredients today will be just apples and also some tools to help slice or dice them, a baking sheet, and also these packaged rectangular flat sheets of wax paper. You can use the rolled ones, but I like these ones because you don't need to unroll them. Simply make sure your apple is clean, cut a chunk off, and use a mandolin to slice them into thin slices. I am using a level thickness of 2 on this particular one here. It should come to no surprise. Now the next step is to lay these apple slices evenly onto the baking sheet with the wax paper underneath. Now I'm using these larger trays because I'm using the larger convection oven. You can also use the combination steam oven with the same effect. Of course, the steam oven will yield a little bit less because the trays are a little bit smaller. However, because both ovens will possess a very well ventilated fan as well as a moisture control inside, the dehydration process will be fairly simple. All we do now is basically lay the trays inside the oven and select the special mode and dehydration. Normally apple crisps will be done in about 8 hours, so you can do this overnight and have some delicious snack in the morning. And that is actually pretty much it. We don't have much else going on besides just enjoying these crisps. So give them a try. I know that young kids will love them, and adult here we can enjoy some kind of a guilty-free snack once in a while. Thank you for watching, and I hope I was able to improve your home appliance experience. If you found my content helpful, please like, subscribe, and most importantly, share with others who needs these info. All of the contents will be categorized by appliance type on my channel for more tips and how-tos. These contents are based on my personal experience and opinion. Miele Limited does not sponsor, support, or dictate any of the contents created here. Social media connections are on the screen as well as some other related videos. Have fun in the kitchen!